When you send your son or daughter away to college, you have the expectation that the soft surfaces that they sleep on and rest on at night are going to be free of contaminants. The Spry Pure pillow gives them and you the peace of mind that when they go to sleep at night, they will truly rest in a clean, fresh environment. When we first studied our technology, we tested it in the most rigorous situations in hospitals in the United States. In studying this, we were able to determine that our PnumaPure technology pillows were able to block the ingress of potentially deadly pathogens, bacteria, and virus. Our goal is to reduce the amount of contaminants that you would find in your soft surfaces. What happens is that when you compress these surfaces, the stitch seams and the porosity of the material allow the contaminants that are inside the pillows and cushions to be expelled into the air, oftentimes around the head and face. The seams on the Spry Pure pillow are welded, so there are no holes for the contaminants to enter or exit the pillow. It is our mission to assure when they go to sleep at night that they're able to sleep restfully, knowing full well that their pillows are not loaded with contaminants.